not profit, but $750 revenue, which ended up creating me $450 profit, which puts the new total at, so we spent 300, which now we're at 200, but I got 750 back, which would put us at a grand total of 900. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new video. If you guys are new here, my name is Colton, and this is the turning $100 into $10,000 series. So let's get right into it. Yeah, let's get right into it. As you guys can see, I have made a little bit of progress on the little bar. We're just gonna have this little bar like right here. I'm gonna make it go away. Okay, so as you can see by this, let's see if I can get my finger. You can see by this little bar right here, it's kind of hard to keep my finger in the same spot. You can see that by that little bar that we are a little bit closer to the, I think the $10,000 will be here. Yeah, should be here. So we started at 100 and we are going to 10,000. I've never made $10,000. I've never held $10,000. I've never like anything like that. So I think this is a big deal. I think this is super cool, and I'm kind of just like giving away what I do, how I make my money, how to make the money, all this kind of crap. So let's get into what I've done since the last episode, because I think the last episode was like a week ago. So let's just share what I did. Okay, so you guys probably know this already, but I have been buying and selling old coins, old money, old kind of crap like that, and I think it's really cool. I get to hold a piece of history. I think it's just cool. I think they're pretty. I think they're nice. I think it's just special to me. I think, you know, and it helps me make money, so I definitely do like it. So that's what I've been doing since the last episode. So last episode, I'm pretty sure we had just over a $500 mark, a little bit over $500, which was actually, oh my goodness, that was insane. My goal for that video was 300, and I ended up getting way more than I ever thought I could get. $500 in, I mean, it's been less than a month. It's just been absolutely crazy. The goal is to get to 10,000 by the time I turn 17. So, I mean, I think at this rate, we're definitely heading that way. So I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit of I don't know what I would call it, just a little bit of a stock market kind of thing, just a little stock talk, I guess. That's kind of cool, stock talk. Oops, sorry, sitting on a bucket kind of makes some noises. So, I buy silver, I buy gold, I sell silver, all that kind of stuff. I buy precious metals, I resell them, okay? So the precious metal market is kind of like the stock market. It goes up, it goes down, it stays the same. It can change throughout the day. It can drop 50%, it can go up 100%. It doesn't, like, you never know sometimes. So what happened was I bought a few things when silver was lower than it had been in a while. Silver was chilling at like 24, maybe 24 on a good day, 23, 22 average, I would say. And it dropped down to, I think, like 20, 21, 22 for a little bit. And I bought a bunch of stuff just because it had dropped, and I thought it would be a good time to buy because it'd been lower, and the chance of it going lower was, I thought it was pretty, I thought it was gonna happen. I thought it was gonna crash. I thought the silver and gold market was gonna go super down. I was kind of nervous about it, but I bought a few things at low, and it ended up paying off a lot. So silver, since, like, I don't know if you guys follow Bitcoin or any of this kind of stuff, but I did a Bitcoin video. I bought $20 worth of Bitcoin when it was at like 19,000 on the 18th of December. And from the 18th of December till the 28th of December, it gained $10,000. It went from 18,000, 19,000 to $28,000 per Bitcoin. Now I'm pretty sure it's chilling at like 26, but it's still super high. Like, that's just insane. So prices went up. Silver's still chilling at like 26.50. That's really high. I'm pretty sure the like all-time high is 29 something. So 26 is pretty high for right now. I would say that, like, it's just super good. So I ended up buying like a few $100s worth of silver at 21, 22. And now the silver's at 26. Technically it's at 26.50, you know, for being precise right here, but what happened was I bought a few things. I think I spent $300, so that took us down to $200 for the day on silver, and they all arrived, and I ended up selling that $300 worth for, I believe, $750, like, not profit, but $750 revenue, which ended up creating me $450 profit, which puts the new total at, So we spent 300, which now we're at 200, but I got 750 back, which would put us at a grand total of $952.17. Yes, that is very precise because I have it memorized and it is absolutely insane. I'm going to put a list of things, I'm going to put some pictures and all this kind of good stuff. And if you guys want to know how I buy stuff, what I buy, when I sell, what I sell, how I sell it, all this kind of good stuff, I'm starting a podcast and I'm going to be talking about all that kind of good stuff. I'm going to be talking about what I do like during my daily life, all this kind of stupid crap that I get into, like how sometimes I almost get in car accidents because I'm driving a little bit crazy. Sometimes other people are driving crazy. Just all that kind of stuff that happens in my life I'm going to be talking about, and I think it's going to be super fun. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know that they're not like super interactive. I have a few deals going down tomorrow that are expensive. We'll just say it. I'm gonna be spending $550 on 2 coins tomorrow that I'm going to resell for $400 each. So yeah, they're definitely going to be it's gonna be a fun video. I'm gonna bring the camera. I'm gonna ask the I think it's a dude. I'm gonna ask the dude if I can film. If not, then I'll probably just leave it in my car and like roll the windows down so you guys can hear it. But yeah, we're gonna definitely figure that out, and I hope to bring some new great content for you guys. 2021 is coming around the corner, and I have some, it's gonna be, these goals are gonna be great. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. I hope you guys are staying safe, healthy, and I hope you guys are all like just having fun, you know. It's New Year's kind of vibe, I guess. It's the 28th, 27th, yeah, 28th, 27th. I hope you guys are all being safe. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, adios, guys.